Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video. As you can see, a lovely black Ep3 Civic in the house. And today this one's having some modifications. So let's go find out what's been fitted. Okay, so we're part way through fitting some bits and bobs. So as you can see, we've got a Skunk 2 Pro Series inlet manifold mated to a 70mm Skunk 2 throttle body. And there's a Dynodaze induction kit being fitted as we speak. Well done, Jono. How do you feel about this one so far?
All right, everything's gone off nicely.
Very good.
Nicely.
It's Bank Holiday Monday, so I appreciate you being here.
Oh, I don't appreciate it.
No, I bet you don't. I bet you don't. And then we're going to make some noise because this one's getting mapped. So let's check back here when it gets on the dyno. Okay, so all the parts are installed, looking very, very lovely. And what we're going to do is stock power run now. Well, when I say stock, I mean we're going to do a power run, bit of a shakedown, make sure everything's as it should be, and then we can start with an ECU exchange and a map.
Well, there we go. One flaming hot EP3. Bombs, flames, everything. All the noise you want in the world. I love these types of maps. It is Bank Holiday. And we've had a few.
We're not going to moan about it, though.
I'm not moaning
We're not going to moan about it.
But yeah, EP3. As you've seen, the workshop did some work to it this morning. Fitted a Skunk 2 throttle body, Skunk 2 Pro Series inlet manifold, Dynodaze induction kit. Already had a Jap Speed 4-to-1 and a Teggy with 70mm.
It did indeed.
Some great mods.
Yeah, some really good mods.
Mate, 218.
Yeah, 218 in standard form, as in, when I say standard form, I mean the map in standard form, obviously with the modifications on it. We've obviously smoothed the graph out. We brought Vtec in earlier. We've made power right across the rev
Do you know
range,
it made
basically.
50 brake horsepower at 6,000 RPM?
Yeah, which is excellent.
Yeah, fantastic.
I mean, like I say, even when we're talking about the Colts that we do a lot of, you know, we might make 50 brake horsepower there or 50 wheel horsepower, you know what I mean? You know, so it's as good as a, you know, in certain areas, it's certainly as good as a turbo map.
Yeah, I mean, and that's where you're driving it, isn't it?
Yeah, in that band for sure.
in
I mean,
that
they'll
power
notice the
band.
difference without question. A little bit extended on the rev range, obviously lowered the Vtec. You know, all round basically making a smoother graph. I think we finished on 230 with this car
230,
today.
bang on, 230. It's going to be a great motor on the road. It's a little bit damp outside, but I'm sure that won't hold him back today from having lots of fun in this.
No, definitely not. Shall I look at that graph then?
Come on, let's look at the graph.
So there we go. Red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves. As you can see in that mid-range, that's that 50 brake horsepower I'm talking about. That's going to feel phenomenal on the road. And we finish on 230 brake horsepower, 193 at the wheels. Code word for this EP3 is Skunk 2, because we fitted some Skunk 2 mods today, inlet manifold and throttle body, always available on the website. So if you need any EP3 parts, do go on the Dynodaze performanceparts.com website and fill your boots. And we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Jeno?
We will indeed.
Before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.